My name is Vitaly, and this is Allie. I'm going to do her makeup and show her.
Okay, what are you going to start with?
The
Foundation.
sun, a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to do is this. So rub it.
Okay.
Allie.
Okay, great. What are you going to do next?
I'm going to
Here, close this so you don't get dirty. You're going to do some blush?
Yes, let's blush.
Okay.
The pink.
Which pink are you going to use? That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little bit of blush, right? Okay, stand up. Okay, that's good.
Okay. Some little tiny more.
On the other side?
Okay. Now I'm gonna start with lip gloss. This.
Oh, you can do the highlighter?
I'm gonna do the highlighter.
Okay.
Let's highlight.
Right here on the top of the blush.
Allie, don't move your head. Oh my gosh. So glittery. Exactly.
Okay, do the other side.
Okay. So one. Okay. Do the other side. Okay. Now I'm gonna use
Eyeshadow?
this eyeshadow. That's eyeshadow.
Which color matches her shirt? Like a purple?
Like a wet? No.
Yeah.
Well,
Do
wet.
like that one. Yeah, that one's good.
Okay.
Okay, close your eye, Allie.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Great job.
Okay.
Get a little more for the other eye.
Is she done? I'm done.
Well, you gotta put some lip gloss.
Oh yeah. What's lip gloss?
There's a little brush.
Could I do that? Please do that one. I will do the paper. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get some more. Next time.
Okay.
Some to the top. Some more for the top.
Looks great. Let me see, Allie. Okay, guys. Say bye.